best, number one and nothing less. Lead me to my destiny. I have waited patiently. I have vision, though I believe. I know I can count on me. So stand up for the champions, for the champions. Stand up. Stand up. Stand up. Stand up. Stand up. Stand up. I was built to be the best, number one and nothing less. Lead me to my destiny. I have waited patiently. I have vision, though I believe. I know I can count on me. So stand up for the champions, for the champions, for the champions, for the champions. Stand up, stand up, for the champions, for the champions. Stand up.
Jazakallah. I'm honored and thrilled to invite the worthy Vice Chancellor, University of Turbat, Professor Dr. Abdul Razik Sabir, to come on the stage for his welcome address.
His Excellency Governor Balochistan, Chancellor University of Turbat, Mohammad Khan Ashikzai, Chief Guest of the today's event, Member Provincial Assembly and ex-Chief Minister Balochistan, Dr. Abdul Malik Baloch, Member Election Commission of Pakistan, Justice Shakil Ahmed Baloch, Nawab of Makran, Khalid Khan Gichki, Senators, Members National Assembly, Provincial Assembly, political leaders, Syed Ehsan Shah, Wajah Zaur Ahmad Buledi, Deputy Commander, Command Brigade, Commissioner Makran Division, Regional Heads of the Armed Forces, members of the Senate, Syndicate, Deans of the faculties, HODs, faculty members of the University of Turbat, proud parents, graduating students, media representative, well-wishers of the university, ladies and gentlemen. Assalamu alaikum and warm welcome to all of you at this first academic convocation and graduating ceremony of the University of Turbat. And thank you all to make this special occasion special with your graceful presence. We are really very happy, honored and encouraged to have His Excellency Governor Balochistan, Chancellor University of Turbat among us. We are indeed grateful to you, sir, for this sustained interest you have been taking in growth and development of the universities in the province. I am also thankful to Dr. Abdul Malik Baloch for his presence in the event and his continuous patronage to this organization from its first day as a full-fledged university. During his tenure as Chief Minister Balochistan, he provided bridge loan when funds were required, approved 500 million endowment fund for the university, 2 buses, 1 ambulance, laptops to the all pass-out students of the first batch of the university. I am also thankful to all political leaders of the region, particularly Syed Ehsan Shah, Mr. Zaur Ahmad Buledi, Madam Zubaida Jalal and Dr. Saab, who helped this institution from their special fund when it was a sub-campus of the University of Balochistan. I am thankful to the local administration and civil society for their continuous support to the university. Ladies and gentlemen, I am sure that this is a very special moment in the lives of the graduating students and a significant milestone for the university. It's a great honor for me, being the first and founder vice chancellor of this young university, to address its first convocation. Dear graduating students, my dear graduating students, on behalf of my faculty and university management, I congratulate you all from the core of my heart for the rare distinction of being the first recipients of the University of Turbat degree after successful completion of the lengthy process of their studies. You have my best wishes and blessings for your future journey. My dear students, we realize that this is the beginning of your practical life. Someone, including your proud parents and your dedicated teachers, have brought you till this today's stage, and now it's the time to choose and reach to your new distinction by yourself. On the occasion of this momentous day for University of Turbat and people of Makran, I take the privilege to remember the audience gathering that this institution first set up as a sub-campus of the University of Balochistan in November 2009, when only 3 programs of study, BBA 4 years, BScs 4 years and BCom 2 years. It was formally granted a full-fledged university status in May 2012 after passing of its charter or act from Balochistan Provincial Assembly. And here I would like to remember you that the role of Syed Ehsan Shah, the then MPA, was very key in this regard. Soon after joining as first and founder vice chancellor of the university, I have tried to build a team for modeling the governance of the university on utmost merit and fair play, inducting around 80 faculty members through a transparent process. Despite very crucial and unfavorable atmosphere in 2013, with the help of law enforcement agencies, started development work on this new campus that has alhamdulillah been formally inaugurated by Governor Balochistan, and classes will be shifted to this campus in the next month inshallah. We have converted a dream into a reality, and I hope that you have realized that due to university mega projects, a new education stream is developing here. Respected guests, it's an undeniable fact that the progress of any country is linked with learning and education. Those nations who invested in education in the past are reaping fruit of success and prosperity now. We are optimistic about turning the things in a positive way with our collective wisdom and visionary approach. As a vibrant institution of higher learning within just 3.5 years, Turbat University has crafted a special place for itself in the academic map of the country. Soon after completion of all required formalities, University of Turbat was recognized by the Higher Education Commission Pakistan as 158th university in the country and second public sector general university in Balochistan on 12th March 2014. We are proud that Turbat University today is armed with higher qualified, energetic and talented faculty, including 8 PhDs, 20 MS and MPhils, better structure and systems to support its mission to teach and train the students of the region. This success story of UT in 3.5 years has only become possible due to the various efforts put in by full support of Planning and Development Commission Pakistan, Higher Education Commission Pakistan, Chancellor Secretariat, Government of Balochistan, the then Chief Minister and today's guest of honor, Dr. Saab, my dedicated, devoted and energetic faculty and admin team. Completion of most of the components of present university permanent complex in short period of only 3 years is a big achievement. Credit goes to my project team, particularly my project director, Mr. Mansur Ahmad, engineering chief. Raising 3 teaching departments to 9, along with 18 programs and starting MPhil programs, sending around 30 faculty for PhD and MPhil abroad and within country. 10 of them, after obtaining MS and MPhil degree from different developed countries, have rejoined the university. 3 PhDs are due to come back in this year, taking reliable scrutiny measures, ensuring a cheating-free examination system. We are proud that which is distinction of this university being followed by the others now. Launching IT Academy in collaboration with HEC, entering into MOUs with 15 national and international universities, including 5 Chinese, 2 Malaysian and 2 Arab universities, to exchange experiences and knowledge. Established smart computer lab, chemistry lab, video conference center funded by Worthy Chancellor. Affiliation of 3 degree colleges of the region with University of Turbat. Remaining 2 are underway. Holding of seminar, conferences, national seminar on CPAC at Gwadar with patronage of the Armed Forces was chaired by the Chief of the Army Staff. Meeting of Inter-University Consortium at Gwadar attended by 26 Vice Chancellors of the country, first time in the history of province. Conducted meetings of statutory bodies well in time. Publishing of University Research Journal, Gidroshia and Miri, duly recognized by the HEC to promote research culture in the university, and various extracurricular activities including annual business galas, sports week, etc. These are just a few examples of the countless accomplishments of our faculty and students that continues to enhance our position in the higher education marketplace. This university is all capable of continuing to shine and move forward and overcoming any obstacle since its inception. The reputation of our academic program continues to improve. Your Excellency, establishment of University of Turbat Campus at CPAC Center T. Gwadar, its inauguration by the Prime Minister of Pakistan is another step under your patronage. Faculty has been hired, PS classes in 4 subjects are running successfully. We hope that in future it will be a great university in a great city like Gwadar. Ladies and gentlemen, the passed out graduates are expected to play a vital role in the activities of Pak-China Economic Corridor for bringing prosperity in the region. Earnest efforts are constantly made to promote a vibrant research culture and provide a conducive environment to both its faculty members and students for exploration and innovation, market-oriented higher learning for the purpose following. For the purpose, the following steps have been taken: establishment of quality insurance agency university, establishment of office of ORIC and research, entrepreneurship has been established. The status of Baluchi department has been upgraded as Institute of Baluchi Language and Culture. University has prepared its next 5-year strategic plan. Many ideas and projects, including 11 new science and market-oriented departments in the coming 5 years. Number of academic and development plans is in pipeline as a part of short and long-term strategic plans. Establishment of CPEC Study Center and its main campus and Gwadar campus, sending more than 20 scholars for higher studies within country and abroad. Training and refreshment courses, starting at PhD, MPhil, diploma and certificate classes in different subjects where feasible. Hosting more national and international conferences. Honorable Chancellor, all of us at Turbat University today, students, faculty, officers, staff and alumni, believe that University of Turbat will be able to achieve the highest levels of teaching and research in the field of modern science and technology, arts and humanity, business management, commerce and trade and literature. Dear graduating students, on this special occasion, once again I would like to advise you that your actions and deeds should be reflective for merit, honesty, transparency, justice, teamwork and implementation of rule and law in every step of your life. I advise you to remain hardworking in your practical life. Continue to improve your knowledge in your area of specialization. I expect you to be competent professionally as well as responsible citizens who are working for the betterment of the society and social economic development of the country. I also appreciate and recognize the efforts of proud parents who have been praying and waiting for you for your success for the last 16 years. On this special occasion of first convocation, I also wish to congratulate my dedicated faculty and administration who are trying their level best in imparting quality education and training to the shining stars of the future. Honorable Chancellor, University management is fully aware of its key responsibility of creation of knowledge through research and imparting knowledge to its graduates to cope with modern era challenges and preparing highly qualified professional manpower for CPEC and other development activities with high moral value who would work for uplifting of the socio-economic development of the country. In order to develop sense of competition among students and promote quality research, we have introduced research reward programs in the university. Finally, I am thankful you, sir, the worthy Chancellor and Governor Baluchistan for your presence in this historic event. Thanks, Dr. Saab, for your presence once again. I also thankful all of my respected guests. I congratulate my dynamic faculty and admin staff, particularly Controller of Examinations, Mr. Tanveer Ahmed, Registrar Dr. Nipur Rahman, Director of Finance Ghulam Farooq, and their team for organizing this wonderful ceremony With these remarks, I am pleased to welcome you all once again to our celebration of first convocation 2017. Thank you very much and Pakistan Zindabad.
Now, ladies and gentlemen, it's a time for the prime segment of this convocation ceremony, the award and conferment of degrees. I would therefore request the Registrar, University of Turbat, Dr. Anifur Rahman, to present the Vice Chancellor, University of Turbat, the candidates for the award of degrees of graduation in their respective disciplines.
Law in Management Sciences. Sir, I present to you the candidates who fulfill all the requirements for the grant of degree, Bachelor in Commerce, Master in Commerce, MSc Economics, MBA Executive. I request you confirm the degree upon them.
By the virtue of the authority vested upon me as the Vice Chancellor of the University, I confer upon you the degree of Bachelor in Commerce, Master in Commerce, MSc in Economics, MBA Executive, and charge you to prove yourself worthy of the same through appropriate professional behavior.
Faculty of Arts and Social Sciences. Sir, I present to you the candidate who fulfill all the requirements for the grant of degree of MA in English, MA in Baluchi, MA in Political Science, MA in Education. I request you to confirm the degree upon them.
By the virtue of the authority vested upon me as the Vice Chancellor of the University, I confer upon you the degree in MA in English, MA in Baluchi, MA in Political Science, Master in Education, and charge you to prove yourself worthy of the same through appropriate professional behavior.
Faculty of Science and Engineering. Sir, I present you the candidate who fulfill all the requirements for the grant of degree Master in Computer Science. Sir, I request you to confirm the degree upon them.
By the virtue of the authority vested upon me as the Vice Chancellor of the University, I confer upon you the degree of Master in Computer Science and charge you to prove yourself worthy of the same through appropriate professional behavior.
Thank you, sir. Ladies and gentlemen, let me request the Honorable Governor Balochistan, the Chancellor, University of Turbat, Muhammad Khan Achakzai, to come forward for the award of degrees to the graduates, and the worthy Vice Chancellor, University of Turbat, Professor Dr. Abdul Razak Saber, to join him on the stage. Faculty of Commerce, Law, Management Sciences, Department of Commerce, Bachelor of Commerce 2014 and 15, first batch, Abdullah Kareem. Fida Hussain. Mujib Ahmad. Munir Ahmad. Sharif Ahmad. Adnan Muhammad Usman. Bahar Sattar. Kambar Arif. Dinar Saleh. Atikur Rahman. Muhammad Naeem. Mahmood Latif. Alamgir Aslam. Now from Bachelor of Commerce, second batch 2015-16, Wasim Akram. Hani Abdul Rashid. Sanawallah Muhammad Jan. Wasim Raja. Muhammad Akram. Masroor Tariq. Abdul Salam. Sajid Ali. Zubair Ahmad. Khalil Ahmad. Now Master in Commerce, first batch 2014-15, Feroz Khan. Pir Muhammad. Now Master in Commerce, second batch 2015-16, Nazia Kareem. Sohail Fazal Rahman. Hamid Ali. Arshad Anwar. Sangeem Nasir. And Sajid Ali.
Now from Department of Economics, MSc Economics 2014 to 16, Zulfikar Habib. Fida Ahmed. Sharatun Yasin. Muhammad Salim. Shah Hussain. Mujibullah. Junaid Barkat. Muhammad Alif. Ganj Bakhsh. Muhammad Akram. MSc Economics Session 2015 to 16, Sumayya Abdul Rashid. Farooq Barkat. Maghul Manzoor. Balaj Barkat Ali. Mahjubin Tariq. Adnan Ali. Qadir Ali. Abdul Wahab.
Now from Department of Management Sciences, MBA Executive Session 2013-15, Murtaza Ahmad, Ataullah, Abdul Ghani, Faraz Ahmad, Ghulam Muhammad, Shah Muhammad, Ajmeri Lal, Muhammad Anif, Muhammad Salim, now session MBA Executive Session 2015-16. Ammal Ghani, Tariq Ali, Jian Rashid, Abdul Quddus, Enamullah, Abdul Qadir,
Now from Faculty of Arts and Social Science, Department of English, MA English Session 2014 to 15, Zahid Rahim, Huras Sabzal, Zahida Mehrab, Noroz Ahmad, Samira Rafiq Ahmad, Mansha Khudabakhsh, Jannat Aziz, Shama Muhammad Bakhsh, Anisa Abdul Majid, Shay Chirag, Ali Jan, Zarif Ahmad, Sanji Fida, Nazia Dawood, Chakar Ali, Sangin, Shazib, Abdul Halim, Rashid Sirwar, Qasim Ali, जमीला आजी खुदा बख्श, कमाल अहमद, सगीर अहमद, सोहराब खान।
Now MA English session 2015-16. Asma Akhtar. Bushra Dilmurad. Imrana Rashid. Ghazala Karim. Ijaz Ahmad. Lucky Nazir. Shadri Noor Muhammad. Doda Khan. Nozia Ali Ahmad. Anila Taj Muhammad. Anisa Manzoor. Naila Hamidullah. Siraj Ahmad. Sanawullah Samad. Shafiqa Sofi. Ruqya Abdul Sattar. Shazia Manzoor. Hazira Muhammad Asa. Almas Bashir. Soed Ahmad. Now from Department of Baluchi, MA Baluchi session first batch 2014-15, Muim Khan. Zubaida Dur Muhammad. Meena Said. Aisha Azim. Pirjan. Sharif Ahmad. Hawa Aziz. Shahnaz Tariq. Saika Abed. Mahpara Hanif. सनिया खालिक, मोहम्मद यूनुस, जुमरुद मजीद, सगीर अहमद, बसरी उम्मेद अली, जकिया इमाम बख्श, शहनाज गुलाम, नाइला आसिल खान, शीरीन उमर, इलाही बख्श, सिद्दीका मुनीर, अब्दुल वहीद, now MA Baluchi session 2015-16, Abdul Wahid, Abdul Majid, करीमत करीम, नसीर अहमद, सबिया दिलदार, शादाब खालिद, मोहम्मद सिपा, जलील अहमद, आबिद गुलाम, मोहसिन अली, सुमैया बदल, मोहम्मद इस्लाम, दिलजान जुम्मा, गुलसबा, नाजिया हमीद, जवेरिया उबैदुल्ला, गुलनिसा, शबीना अल्लाह बख्श, जलिया असलम, ताहिरा नेक अली, मुराद मोहम्मद, समीरा वाहिद बख्श, Now from Department of Political Science, MA Political Science, first batch 2014-15, Seema Waris. Shabana Bashir. Shahnaz Pir Mohammed. Munir Ahmed. Malikjan Nazir. Muhammad Umar Nasir. Bahar Ali.
Now from MA Political Science, session 2015 to 16. Miran Ayat. Samira Zaman. Farigul Mansoor. Balak Sher. Hangul Yasin. Feroz Pasand. Tariq Aziz. Sajjad Hamid. Sabrina Gul Khan. Hafiz Sarfaraz. Karishma Saleh. Sherjan Nabi Bakhsh. Anita Aslam Javed. Siraj Ahmad. Irfan Ahmad. Abdul Razik. Sohaila Murid.
Now from Department of Education, MA Education, session 2015-16, Rabia. Shehzana Salim. Hajra Aslam. Yasmin Lukman. Naila Nisar. Farat Nazir. Saddam Shah. Sara Nek Ali. Rashid Ahmad. Mahal Mola Bakhsh. Faiza Said Mohammed. Imtiaz Habib, Abdul Ghani Azad Baloch, Anila Shaukat Ali, now from Faculty of Science and Engineering, Department of Computer Science, Master in Computer Science session 2015 and 16, Nazal Kareem, Muhammad Zarif Ahmad, now Master in Computer Science session 2015-16, Mamoon Rashid, Mukhtar Akhtar, thank you, sir.
Ladies and gentlemen, University of Turbat has put out all-out efforts for the development of its faculty, university teaching faculty. Under the very able command of Vice Chancellor University of Turbat, Professor Dr. Abdulrazak Sabir, and in collaboration with the Higher Education Commission Islamabad, efforts have been underway for the continuous development progress of the human resource and the university teaching faculty so that we are able to compete with the best not only in the country but with the best in the world. And due to the efforts put in by our Vice Chancellor and the administration and faculty of the university, many of the university faculty were handed out indigenous, that is local scholarships, and not only that, but many of them have been sent on foreign PhD and MPhil or MS scholarships. And the good news is that within a very short period of 2 years, many of our regular faculty, teaching faculty of University of Turbat, have completed their degree program successfully, have been awarded degrees in their respective disciplines, and to our best luck, they have rejoined the university. I think it's about time that we acknowledge their efforts. It's about time that we acknowledge their achievement. It is really a big deal that within the allotted period of, that is hardly 2 years, or to push it to a stretch that is 3 years, to be able to complete your degree programs and return in time. I'd like to call upon stage the Controller Examinations, University of Turbat, Mr. Tanveer Ahmed, to call out the names of those University of Turbat faculty members who completed their MPhil degree programs and came back to the university, are back on teaching. It is also a huge honor for me to call out, to request the Honorable Governor Balochistan, Chancellor University of Turbat, Muhammad Khan Achakzai, to distribute certificates of achievement to university faculty members for completing their degree programs well in time. I'd also request guest of honor Dr. Abdul Malik Baloch and Vice Chancellor University of Turbat to kindly please join the Governor Sahab on stage.
Sir, I now present to you Mr. Tahir Badini, Assistant Professor, who was awarded the degree of MS in Finance with a CGPA 3.82 in academic year 2014-15 from Asian Institute of Technology, Thailand. He is being recognized with the certificate of appreciation. Sir, I now present to you Mr. Ghulam Jan Sanab Ghosbaksh, Assistant Professor, who was awarded the degree of MS in Strategic Management with the CGPA 3.61 in academic year 2014-15 from Asian Institute of Technology, Thailand. He is being recognized with the certificate of appreciation. Sir, I now present to you Mr. Mazhar Mohsen, son of Umid Ali Mohsen, assistant professor, who was awarded the degree of MS in Computer Science with the CGPA 3.13 in academic year 2014-16 from Asian Institute of Technology, Thailand. He is being recognized with the certificate of appreciation. Sir, I now present to you Mr. Abdul Majid Nasir, son of Nasir Ali, assistant professor, who was awarded the degree of MS in Finance with the CGPA 3.73 in academic year 2014-15 from University of Putra, Malaysia. He is being recognized with the certificate of appreciation. Sir, I now present to you Mr. Shahmir Baloch, son of Muhammad Musa, lecturer, who was awarded the degree of MPhil in English, Literature and Linguistics with the CGPA 3.63 in academic year 2014-16 from Air University, Islamabad. He is being recognized with the certificate of appreciation. Sir, I now present to you Mr. Changiz Ahmad, son of Babjan, lecturer, who was awarded the degree of MPhil in Political Science with the CGPA 3.73 in academic year 2014-16 from Government College, University, Lahore, Pakistan. He is being recognized with the certificate of appreciation. Sir, I now present to you Mr. Akil Ahmad, son of Hatim Khalil, lecturer, who was awarded the degree of MPhil in Applied Linguistics with the CGPA 3.78 in academic year 2014-16 from University of Lahore, Pakistan. He is being recognized with the certificate of appreciation. Sir, I now present to you Mr. Badal Khan, son of Musa, lecturer, who was awarded the degree of MPhil in Finance with the CGPA 3.85 in academic year 2014-16 from Iqra University, Karachi. He is being recognized with the certificate of appreciation. Sir, now the time is gold medalist. Sir, I now present to you Mr. Abdullah, son of Karim Baksh, who secured top position in Bachelor in Commerce program with the CGPA 3.92. His meritorious performance in batch 2014 is being recognized with the award of gold medal. Sir, I now present to you Mr. Wasim Akram, son of Munir Ahmad, who secured top position in Bachelor in Commerce program with the CGPA 3.81. His meritorious performance in batch 2014-15 is being recognized with the award of gold medal. Sir, I now present to you Mr. Zulfikar Habib, son of Habibur Rahman, who secured top position in MSc in Economics program with the CGPA 3.65. His meritorious performance in batch 2014 is being recognized with the award of gold medal. Sir, I now present to you Ms. Sumayya Rashid, daughter of Abdul Rashid, who secured top position in MSc in Economics program with the CGPA 3.93. Her meritorious performance in BASE 2015 is being recognized with the award of gold medal. Sir, I now present to you Mr. Murtaza Ahmad Sanaf Mushtaq Ahmad, who secured top position in MBA Executive Program with the CGPA 3.87. His meritorious performance in BASE 2013 is being recognized with the award of gold medal. Sir, I now present to you Mr. Zahid Rahim Sanaf Rahim Baksh, who secured top position in MA English program with the CGPA 3.95. His meritorious performance in BASE 2014 is being recognized with the award of gold medal. Sir, I now present to you Ms. Asma Akhtar, daughter of Akhtar Ali, who secured top position in MA English program with the CGPA 4. Her meritorious performance in BASE 2015 is being recognized with the award of gold medal. Sir, I now present to you Mr. Muhim Khan son of Bashir Ahmad, who secured top position in MA Baluchi program with a CGPA 3.91. His meritorious performance in BASE 2014 is being recognized with the award of gold medal. Sir, I now present to you Mr. Abdul Wahid Sanaf Shakar, who secured top position in MA Baluchi program with the CGPA 3.94. His meritorious performance in BASE 2015 is being recognized with the award of gold medal. Sir, I now present to you Ms. Seema Waris, daughter of Muhammad Waris, who secured top position in MA Medical Science program with the CGPA 3.92. Her meritorious performance in BASE 2014 is being recognized with the award of gold medal. Sir, I now present to you Mr. Miran Hayat son of Muhammad Hayat, who secured top position in MA Political Science program with the CGPA 3.94. His meritorious performance in BASE 2015 is being recognized with the award of gold medal. Sir, I now present to you Ms. Rabia, daughter of Habib, who secured top position in MA Education program with the CGPA 3.97. Her meritorious performance in BASE 2015 is being recognized with the award of gold medal. Sir, I now present to you Mr. Mamoon Rashid, son of Abdul Rashid, who secured top position in Master in Computer Science program with the CGPA 3.76. His meritorious performance in BASE 2015 is being recognized with the award of gold medal.
Ladies and gentlemen, it's not every day that you win a gold medal. It means a lot to them, it means a lot to us. It's by being the best and beating the best. So I request all the audience to kindly stand up and give them a big round of applause. Please. Huge round of applause. It means a lot to them. They are the young achievers. They are the future of our country, of our province.
Stand up for the champions, for the champions. Stand up, stand up, stand up for the champions, for the champions. Stand up, stand up, stand up, stand up. Here we go, it's getting close.
The gold medalists are requested to come onto the stage for a group picture, please. The gold medalists are requested to come onto the stage for a group picture with our chief guest of honor, Vice Chancellor, and the rest of the notables, please.
I'm on the move, make way for me. Stand up for the champions, for the champions. Stand up, stand up, stand up for the champions, for the champions. Stand up for the champions, for the champions. Stand up, stand up, stand up for the champions, for the champions. Stand up. And when I fall down, I have to pick myself back up. And when I fall down, I have to pick myself back up. And when I fall down, I have to pick myself back up. And when I fall down, I have to pick myself up.
Thank you so much. You may take your seats, please.
Stand up.
Honorable Chancellor, we have among our other dignitaries and prominent guests the Vice Chancellor University, Lasmela University, and Vice Chancellor Shahid Benazir Bhutto University, Karachi, also with us.
Now for shields, and I'd like to request Vice Chancellor, University of Turbat, Professor Dr. Abdul Razak Saber, to kindly come on the stage and present a commemorative shield, a painting in a Baluchi chadar to our chief guest, Governor Balochistan, Chancellor, University of Turbat, Muhammad Khan Achakzai. Gifted by a prominent personality, Mr. Akram Dosal. I would also request our guest of honor, Dr. Abdul Malik Baloch, to kindly receive a commemorative shield, a painting in a Baluchi chadar from the worthy Vice Chancellor, University of Turbat, Professor Dr. Abdul Razak Saber Sahab. Thank you, sir. Thank you. You may please take your seat, sir. Thank you, sir. It's truly an exquisite privilege for me to request our guest of honor, Dr. Abdul Malik Baloch, Member Provincial Assembly, ex-Chief Minister Balochistan, to kindly sir come forward and address the gathering.
Respected Governor Balochistan Mahmud Khan Achigri Sahab, the Vice Chancellor of the University of the Balochistan, Professor Dr. Abdul Razak Sabir Sahab, Dr. Dost Mohammad Akhtar Sahab, officers, staff and students, and my respected politicians, and ladies and gentlemen. It's indeed a great day to witness the first batches of pass out student of the University of Turbat. About 3 years back, during February 2014, when I was stand on this very side to lay the foundation stone of this university, I faced 2 challenges. One is gun. If this started the work by Vice Chancellor and Engineer Manzoor Baloch with its team, and we faced gun because 2014 the law and order of this situation is not feasible or favorable for any development works. But this credit go to the forces, FC, police and Deputy Commissioner and Commissioner and the people of the area who cooperate with this project and a dream which I never thought they will come to be a reality, but today it is really a reality. I congratulate all my students and the management, especially I'm thankful to Gaurav Sahab, आपका HEC में जो प्रोफेसर साहबान बैठे हैं, स्पेशली चेयरमैन HEC मुख्तार साहब एंड प्लानिंग एंड डेवलपमेंट के फिल्म मिनिस्टर जनाब एहसान इकबाल साहब का. When I was requested to Ehsan Iqbal, please approve our PC1 without any, and it's very difficult to approve a PC1 step forward from after 2 minutes discussion in planning commission, but this credit go to Ehsan Iqbal who approved every setup, every proposal from the University of the Balochistan. I'm really thankful to Ehsan Iqbal, Governor Sahab and Dr. Professor Mukhtar, Chairman HEC. And I'm thankful to the community of this area. Governor Sahab, this is total area we have 2 union council. One is Ginna and other is Kalato. We covered 5,000 acres, but none of a single community member gone to the courts, never, and they appreciate it. Otherwise this is a hard job because in so many places there are some muds, some stones, and but I'm thankful to all of the dignity political leadership of this area, especially the union councils Kalatok and Ginna. Being a lover of educationalist, I think this is a golden opportunity for those students who pass out today. But it's not enough. I hope you will go further for MPhil and PhD because this is a time of knowledge. And if you have the good knowledge, and that's based on market, and you will enjoy the life and you will serve the people. I think it's my humble request to all of these students, go for PhD, because we are facing so many problems, especially the federal government and provincial governments planning to establish, and especially with the help of the governor sahib, and we are establishing a university on every district. They need human resource, and I think we should go for that one. And now, after 2 years or after 1 year, the CPEC is coming out, and we should prepare ourselves for CPEC. The benefit of the CPEC should be enjoyed also with the benefit of the CPEC, I think. And we have the one way, that's education and only education. And with the, I think the good faculty member, and especially in the Baluchi, I hope the Baluchi department will lead the literature of Baluchi, and we have the good scholars, and here like a Professor Sabur Ahmad, Tahir Hakim, and Gulasan, and very prominent literary man, and my teachers, Farooq Baloch, because he taught me Baluchi. I think these are the people who improve the Baluchi language and go for a research, not only for poetry and short story writing, go for a research. Sir, I again thankful of you and all the dignitaries who come here from Makran and from other sides, and especially the law enforcement agencies, commissioners. Should I go for an announcement or not? I think I will go for an announcement with conditional announcement. I announced 30 million for the University of Turbat, but priority is 230 pass out student for laptop. And there's a one problem of the PND department. If you would allow me, I will try my best to curb the rules. So I announced 30 million. The priority will be the laptop and other missing facilities of the university. But this is a conditional, sir, if I got some problem, and you can bail out me. Thank you very much, sir. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. Ladies and gentlemen, we are blessed with the presence of Governor Balochistan, Chancellor, University of Turbat, Muhammad Khan Achakzai. And sir, it's an absolute honor to request you to come onto the stage and address the convocation ceremony, sir.
Chief guest Dr. Malik Baloch MPA, Vice Chancellor Professor Dr. Abdul Razak Sabir, Vice Chancellor Shaheed Benazir University, civil and military officers, parents and citizens of Turbat, Assalamu alaikum. Today has been such an exciting day that I'm really at a loss what to add to it anymore. But there is always space for speaking and maybe adding something new to it. Let me say at the very beginning that it is indeed a pleasure to preside over the first convocation of the University of Turbat. The first convocation is an historical event, and I'm sure that for somewhere when the golden jubilee of this university comes, a lot of people will say that I was there when this first convocation was taking place. And after that, there will be many more who will keep on saying that my father went to that, he was in that first convocation. So it is like a event that is twice blessed, in the sense that it is an event here, and in the sense that this event will be going on forever and ever as long as the history of Turbat University carries on. Mr. Vice Chancellor, I take this occasion to congratulate you and your faculty for having arranged and achieved this day, because the training up and building up of a university is really a hardiest time which we used to take more than decades. But because of the discipline and because of the change that has come in the recent years, it's been possible. I must thank all the Vice Chancellors of Balochistan University that all the universities of Balochistan are running as good as anywhere else, and they are progressing very well. And for that, I also congratulate the students themselves, because it is they that come and attend and don't miss classes and are there all around in the university. Let me also mention that today is the Women's Day internationally, and the number of women that have today graduated from this university confirm that the women of Balochistan are equal or as good as the men of Balochistan, and that nobody can ever say that the people of Balochistan are discriminating on basis of sex. No, not at all. To the women graduates, I say, the future is yours like it is of anybody else. So go right ahead with whatever you think that you can do, and I'm sure you can reach the sky. To the graduation class, I would like to say that remember, history is the first graduates of the following generation will probably say, my father and mother studied here. Now that you are here to witness the stand, you will also be required to acquire more knowledge and keep on consulting with your books. This is only the beginning of what is happening. Around you, the world is changing. The eastern corner of Makran Coast, Karachi, is now the business and industry hub of Balochistan, of Pakistan. And that was also some time ago a small fishing village. Another such village is developing near to you, and I'm sure that within the next 10 decades it will be coming up with a lot of opportunities of employment and will be needing your abilities. That is to be there and going on with it. I also take this occasion to congratulate the parents in this gathering and the people of Turbat for not only just having donated that land of 5,000 to this university, but are also there to be proud of this outstanding institution amongst the city of Turbat. Times are changing and changing fast, and for that we can only those who will survive that follow the path of knowledge-based thinking. And you, the elite that have been graduated today, it is your responsibility not only to be educated yourself, but also to spread the message of education in the whole of society. Remember, if this is the third revolution in the world, this is the information revolution. Information revolution is faster than the sound. And since you just inaugurated a computer center, you would know yourself how much conscious you be and what you would like to add to this coming up future of yours. And I'm sure you're capable of it and you will do it. Let me also once again refer to the teaching staff who has done a tremendous job. Let me also remind them that the students that they have in here are of an impressionable age. It is their responsibility that by their personal behavior and personal behavior in dress and talking and everything, they would be guiding the students to the demands of the modern society, modern industrial society. The demands of that are entirely different. One of them is being truthful. The second one is being in time. The third one is being informed. And all these can only come together if the professors make this a point as well, because they are young men themselves, recently graduated, and they have the knowledge. Transfer this kind of behavior to the young men and women that will be graduating from here. And I'm sure they will do it and that they are capable of it. And then let me again assure you that education is the priority of the government of Balochistan. No student will be ever left without completing his or her student because of lack of resources. Be sure that they will be always available to you in any form, and you will never be left behind on that. With these words, I wish you a very bright future, and thank you very much for giving me the opportunity to be with you on this historical occasion. Thank you very much, sir.
Procession members are requested to give that.
Thank you so much, sir. All good things come to an end. Ladies and gentlemen, it's time for us to conclude our today's convocation ceremony. It is an honor once again to request our chief guest, Governor Balochistan, Chancellor University of Turbat, Muhammad Khan Ashikzai, to kindly, sir, declare the convocation closed. Thank you so much, sir. And with that announcement, the academic procession will now leave the marquee.